Are you struggling to organize your business expenses in QuickBooks? Adding proper expense categories can save you hours of confusion during tax season and make your financial tracking effortless. In this full 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to add expense categories in QuickBooks, step by step, and in the simplest way possible. So, let's get started. First, let's understand why expense categories are important. These categories help you classify your spending, like office supplies, utilities, travel, or software subscriptions, so your reports stay clear and your accountant stays happy. Now, here's how to add them. Log in to QuickBooks Online. Once you're in your dashboard, go to the left-hand menu and click on Settings, then select Chart of Accounts. This is where all your income and expense categories live. Click on New. A form will appear where you can create your new category. Select the account type. For expenses, choose Expenses. This tells QuickBooks that the category is meant for your outgoing costs. Pick a detail type. QuickBooks offers a list of detail types such as advertising, meals, travel, or office supplies. Choose the one that closely matches your expense. Name your category. Give it a clear, descriptive name, something you or your accountant will immediately recognize later. For example, instead of just marketing, use online ads, Facebook, save and close. Once you've added all the necessary details, hit Save and Close or Save and New if you want to add more categories. And that's it. You've successfully added a new expense category. Pro tip: review your expense categories regularly. Too many unnecessary categories can clutter your reports, while too few can make it hard to track specific spending. And that's how easy it is to add expense categories in QuickBooks for 2025. Keeping your expenses well organized will save you time, reduce accounting headaches, and help you make smarter business decisions. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.